Good morning, students. Today, uh, we are observed that some five programs on the Unix operating system, and the one more example, that is, we have to see that the display of currently logged users to identify the who are actually perform the task using of the server. So let us observe that. So for that we are using a cat command. So the using of the cat command, we can observe that how many number of users are there into the application. So here for that, in the echo statement it is written that the total number of unique users logged in currently. Why it is defined that unique users? Because each user is having the separate ID. You are having the separate ID, I am having the separate ID. Let us take some other is having the separate ID. Okay, so all are having the separate ID. That is the reason I have considered that the total number of unique users logged in currently. So in that time, so these are the users are there. What are the users? Suppose A is the user already logged in. Next, suppose this SED is also a user, and AWK is a user. So like that, so many users are there. Unique is a user. Word count is a user, for example. Word count WC. So these are all users on that particular time slice period. And in the same manner, you have to identify the list of unique users logged in currently. These are all total number of users logged in currently, list of unique users logged in currently. So for that, only four people are there. The four people are like the ASCD and AWK and unique, but there is no word count here. I think word count is operated by somebody. So that is the reason the word count may be not displayed here. List of unique users logged in currently. And one more thing, next one, the user who is using high percentage of CPU. So here SED AWK used 7, then others. So So, so with this help, it will provide the data who is logged on, who is perform the task, from which time to which time they can perform the task, which time, what is the session duration. So all these things, yeah, here are this, all these things actually available into the particular program. Okay. This is the program for list of all